The other day I collected pollen from my car. Today I'd like to try collecting pollen from a flower, so we can put that under the microscope and see whether it looks different from the pollen I gathered the other day. So I found these purple flowers on the ground, and I'm going to say, thank you, little flower, for your service to science. Snip. We will also collect the dandelion. Thanks for your service, dandelion.
These are the pollen grains of that little purple flower, which is called a violet. They look pretty different from the tree pollen from my car, don't they? What big differences can you see? Here's the dandelion pollen. There's a clump of it there, and then there's one single grain of it just above it. Do you notice something about its texture? Here's a closer look. There are little hooks all over this thing. What could those be for? There's one big important difference between our flower pollens and our tree pollen. Did you notice it? Flower pollen doesn't have air sacs to help it float on the air. Now, what might explain that? If it can't float well on the wind, how will flower pollen get to another flower? Let's look back at the previous pollen video. Recall that flowers have petals to help them attract pollinators like birds and bees. In this video, I told you that the pollen hitches a ride on a fuzzy bee or a feathery bird to get to the other flower. Remember what dandelion pollen looks like? How might those little hooks be helpful here? I would love to hear your thoughts. You can comment on the Padlet, or you can send me an email. I'll look forward to hearing from you.